Hi, I have no idea if anyone is actually in need of this video, but I figured instructions are always nice to have. So this is how you replace a toner cartridge in Brother HL-L2350DW printer. The printer in question can take two different cartridges, either the TN2410 that is good for about 1200 pages or the TN2420 that is good for 3000 pages. They both look identical and installs in exactly the same way. So to perform this, you don't even need to turn your printer off. Instead, just find the small cutout handles on each side looking at the printer from the front and then firmly open the front hatch. In here, grab the green handle in the middle and pull everything out and a little upwards. What we now have in our hand is the whole printer drum. That also needs to be changed after a certain amount of prints. However, right now we just want to change the toner cartridge, which is the, in comparison, little one in the middle here. To get it out of its prison, we simply flick the little green lever to the left and then pull the cartridge out. We then remove all the orange plastic protective pieces on our fresh cartridge and then push it in place, making sure that the little green lever also snaps to lock it in there. We then push the whole thing back into the printer until it is nice and snug. And then we close the hatch. After a few seconds, the printer is then again ready to print. Cool. Thank you for watching. Hope the video helped. Please share any thoughts or questions in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer them. Have a nice day. Bye.